So in this video, I want to show you how to load your UCT, your universal cutting tool, into the K position on your JWEI JCUT cutter. So the first thing I need to do is I need to make sure that my blade is correct on my UCT tool. So to do that, I'm going to get my Allen key, loosen off my blade, take this one out, and then I can replace that if needs be. So I've got a J311 in there. I'm going to push that back in again. Careful with my fingers. Just like that. I'm going to make sure that there's no sort of chipped blade, or make sure it's nice and sharp. Then I'm going to tighten up, not too tight. Just like that. Once I've done that, I can then insert the UCT tool into the K position. So to do that, I'm literally just going to push down the collar like that, and then I'm going to push the tool in, make sure it's nice and straight, and then slide it down. Once I've slid it down, you'll then notice that it sits a little bit proud compared to this tool here. So all I need to do is push down again on the collar, and then I need to turn the top until it drops into position. There you go. So that's now clicked into position, that's now locked in place. So now I've done that, I now need to do my tool depth. So to do my tool depth, you'll see on our screen at the moment it's saying that the K tool has been changed and please reset the depth. So that is what we're going to do. So I'm going to press enter to say I'm okay with that. Then I'm going to go down to my tool depth on this side. I'm going to make sure that I'm on the knife position, and I'm going to click tool depth. That's now going to go over to our pad, and then it's going to do our tool depth for us. So that tool is now set up, ready to go and ready to start cutting. So that's how we do our tool changeover for our UCT tool on our JWEI JCUT cutter.